Have you been wondering how people create great videos like this?
In this box is our 200 million subscriber play button.
You spoiled it.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I haven't told them yet.
Just stab it.
Obviously, we all owe thanks to Nolan. Without him, this wouldn't have been possible.
Thank you. Appreciate you, Nolan.
Oh, whoa, that almost ruined the surprise. That was shiny.
Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your mobile phone and create amazing videos. Even if you have not created a video before, or you don't have an idea of how to create a video and edit a video, I will show you with simple tricks on how to create amazing videos. Now, if you are a content creator or an aspiring content creator, this video is for you. This video is for you, so stick around and let me show you that simple trick that is going to make you a professional. Okay guys, what you have to do is for you to download this app on Play Store. I have already downloaded this app, so what I do here, I click on CapCut and I open the interface of CapCut. And when you open the interface of CapCut, you are going to see a whole lot of things here. Okay, like this. Now is this one is your photo editor, and this is your AutoCut. Now this photo editor helps you to enhance your photo anyhow you like it. Now this AutoCut automatically cuts your video into shorts that you can use to post on your Facebook Reels or your YouTube Shorts, and the rest of the features on this CapCut interface. Now what we are really going to concentrate on is how to edit videos. Now what do you do for you to start editing amazing videos? Now come here and click on new project. Click on new project. Okay, when you click on new project, it will ask you to select any photo or any clip of your choice that you want to use and work and edit. Okay, I'll click this. Now when you click that, come down to your screen, you will see add. Okay, now what do you do next is, if you want to add another clip, maybe go to the end of the last clip you added. Can you see this place? Look at this vertical line showing you where your clip stops, or the position of your clip. Maybe you want to trim, you want to trim it, or you want to adjust. It is telling you the position of your clip. Okay, let's add another clip at the end of this other clip. Now we click on this plus button. Can you see this plus button? We click on this plus button here, right here. Okay, and it will take us back to, okay, you can add another clip. You can add another clip here. Let's say this. Okay, and it is added. Okay, let's check
Play button.
Here. In this video I want to show you how to create your music. Okay guys, that is how to add your video, your clips. Okay, let's look at how we can add audio on the background. Now what do? You come to audio. Okay, come to sound. Okay, and what else do? You click on sound. When you click on sound, there are so many music in this music library from CapCut. You want to use music from your phone, you can click here. And use music from your phone. Okay, from device here. Okay, now you click there and select any music from your phone. Select any music from your phone. Okay, let's
Me at a job, like no time for stress. Enjoying every moment, I'm truly blessed.
Okay, you click this, add this plus button to add that music. Okay, let's see how it goes.
In this box is our 200 million subscriber play button.
Now this music is louder than the voice of the video. Now we have to adjust the volume of the music. What do? You come here, volume, and adjust it to the lowest. Let's say 5, so that it will not conflict with the sound.
In this box is our 200 million subscriber play button.
You spoiled it.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I haven't told them yet.
Just stab it.
In this box is our 200 million subscriber play button.
You spoiled it.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I haven't told them yet.
Just stab it.
In this box is our 200 million subscriber play button.
You spoiled it.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I haven't told them yet.
Okay, basically you have to adjust it to a point that you know that the sound of the video is not conflicting with the sound of the music that you have added. Okay, after doing that, before I show you the next thing that is very, very important, if you are watching this video to this point, it means you are in love with the video. So like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification button so that anytime we drop another video like this, you will be notified. Okay, the next thing we are going to do now is I will show you how to add a text to your video. Okay, what do you do? Click on texts, click on text here. Okay, add text. Okay, you begin to type your text. Okay, let's say Mr. Beast. Okay, after typing your text, you realize that there is an effect here just below where you are typing your text, or animation. Okay, what do we do there? You click on effects. Okay, choose any effect of your choice here. Okay, I choose this. You can increase the size of this now. Now let's add an animation to that text. Click on animation, and I'll use zoom out.
In this box is our
Okay, let's see how it goes.
In this box is our 200 million subscribers.
Okay, this is basically how you can add text overlay to your video. Okay, now the last thing I'm going to show you that is very, very important in this video tutorial is how you can add effect to the entire video. Okay, what do you do to add effect to the entire video? You come here, okay, come to this place, click on that place and add effect, video effect, body effect. Okay, let's use video effects. Okay, it's going to apply now.
In this box is our 200 million subscriber play.
Okay, you've seen that. What we are going to do next, you click this. Okay, let's see how this video looks like.
In this box is our 200 million subscriber play button.
You spoiled it.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I haven't told them yet.
Just stab it.
Obviously, we all owe thanks to Nolan. Without him, this
Yeah.
would impossible. Thank you. Appreciate you, Nolan. Oh, whoa! That almost ruined the surprise. That was shiny. 3, 2, 1.
Okay guys, this way we are going to stop this video tutorial for today. Okay, if you are in love with this video, kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel. That means you are encouraging me to be dropping this kind of tutorials and better tutorials that will help you to monetize your content. Okay, please kindly drop your comments below. If there is anything you don't understand in the video, kindly drop your comments below. Let me know where you understand the video and where you do not understand the video, so that we will know how to make some adjustments. Thank you. See you next time.
Life, enjoy your life. No time for worries. Chop life, feel alive. Chop life, live in the moment. No time for regrets. Chop life, make it count.